Hello everyone, greetings of the day and expectable whomever watching this video. Myself Sundar Kezia Glory, and today I am here to tell about nomenclature from zoology. So I want to tell about nomenclature. The nomenclature means the nomenclature naming of the living organisms with a particular scientific name. So we all know that what is nomenclature. Nomenclature means naming of a living organisms with a particular scientific names. So who will done this process? That means scientists will done this process. Basically, there are two types of process. There are two types of there in this nomenclature. First type is we are all know that it is a common name, that is vernacular. The first type is vernacular and the second type is the scientific name. This scientific name did not change all over the world. So this is the nomenclature and there are two types of in nomenclature system. And another about thing is, so there are various types in nomenclature systems, and the most important thing is first one is mononomial nomenclature. Second one is binomial nomenclature. Third one is trinomial nomenclature. So various systems have been proposed that are monomial nomenclature, binomial nomenclature and trinomial nomenclature. So we will see what is monomial nomenclature. Monomial nomenclature is mononomial nomenclature is the naming or assigning for a living organism with a single word. For living organism with a single word. This is called mononomial nomenclature. For example, we can take for the writing of taxa, this mononomial nomenclature system have been used. For example, family, class, phylum, order. So this is about mononomial nomenclature. So let's see what is binomial nomenclature. So in this binomial nomenclature, every organism is provided with two words that are genus and species. So for example, we can take as my name, genus, that means person surname. That means this name can be shared many related organisms. That means person surname. That means organism's name. Genus name can be shared many related organisms. Can be shared by many related organisms. And the other one, species. That means person's name. That means specific name to the organisms. For example, I will take my name like as, so my name is Sundar Kezia Glory. That means genus, that means person surname. So here my surname is Sundar. My family members all related to Sundar name. So that we can example tell us can be shared as by many related organisms. And the Kezia glory will be the species. And this is the genus. I am telling like as an example, but I am not an organism. So I am telling like an example. So, and the lion we will define like this. Lion scientific name is Panthera leo. Lion scientific name is Panthera leo. And tiger scientific name is Panthera tigris. And the Leo scientific name is leopard. That means leopard. Panthera pardus. Panthera pardus. That means here we will explain that can be shared many related organisms. That means here we can see that lion, panthera, tiger, panthera and leopard, panthera. These all belongs to one family. So genus name can be shared by many related organisms. So this would be a genus. And the second one, Leo tigris pardus. That means species, person's name. That means specific name to the organisms. Here, these are all same, but these are all not at all same because these are specific name to the organisms. Here, Leo would be a species. So, like this with examples, we can define as binomial nomenclature. And this system has been proposed by Sweden botanist Carlos Linnaeus. Carlos Linnaeus. Sir Carlos Linnaeus. This system has been proposed by, for the first time proposer and inventor is Sweden botanist Sir Carlos Linnaeus. He is also known the father of modern taxonomy. He also wrote a book, Systema Naturae. That famous book is Systema Naturae. The author of this book is Sir Carlos Linnaeus. And the one more important thing is, in 1895, the Third International Congress appointed a committee to change or slightly modify the ICZN rules. But later in 1905, the Fifth International Geological Committee held and they implemented the final rules and regulations for the nomenclature, not only binomial nomenclature. They held and they finally implemented the final rules and regulation. So this is the binomial nomenclature. Next we should see the trinomial nomenclature. And this trinomial nomenclature slightly and slightly example for binomial nomenclature. All rules and regulations followed as usual binomial nomenclature. For example, crow's scientific name is Corvus splendens. Corvus splendens. In this trinomial nomenclature, every organism is provided with three words, that means generic name, specific, and subspecific. So here it would be a generic, that means we can also call it as genus or generic. This would be a specific, this would be a subspecific. So like this we can define trinomial nomenclature. So with this example, and the rules for all the nomenclature is, and also binomial nomenclature is, generic name, that means genus, always start first or always start with capital letter. So first rule is genus always starts with capital letter, and the second rule is species. Species always starts with small letter. And the third rule is genus and